Hello? Oh, Pendaplex, dial the number again. Alright, well, we're trying to get back to the caller because we lost her. It's a girl from Pasig, 24 years old. Hirap nito, ha? English. The deal is, we are going to do this in Tagalog. The caller. Mga kaibigan, binabalikan na po natin yung caller. So, wag po kayong magkalala kasi feeling ko matatawagan po natin silang ulit. Okay. Papa Jack, don't speak English cause many vampira awakened. They smell blood from your nose. Hey, don't do that. Papa Jack, anak ng talkwak ka, yan ka na naman. Ayan na nga ba sinasabi ko? Alright, I'd say hi. Good morning to Tita. Good morning po. Good morning po. Kamusta po kayo? Binabati ko din po lahat po ng taxi drivers na nanghihingi po ng plus 20 pag nagasakay ng pasahero. Madami yan, ha? Papa Jack, why are you so hot? Lalo na pag nag-English ka. Well, you know, I am so... I don't know. If I'm really hot. Hey, check our website. It's www.loveradio.com.ph. Alright, do we have the same caller? Alright, hold on. Alright, here we go. Hello.
Hello po.
Yeah, what's your name?
Raymond Pulido po.
Raymond?
Pulido.
Raymond Pulido.
Opo.
Alright. So, let me get to your... Where are you from?
Bicol po.
You're from Bicol right now?
Hindi po, nasa Antipolo lang po.
Antipolo. Alright. And, good morning to you, Raymond.
Good morning din po.
Good morning, Raymond.
Opo.
Are you ready?
Opo.
To do this in pure English?
Konti.
Raymond!
Po.
Kaya mo yan.
Nakakabang tumawag eh.
Raymond!
Opo.
We have a deal, alright?
Opo.
The deal is, I am going to speak in pure English and you are going to answer me in Tagalog. Is that okay?
Yes.
What did you say?
Opo.
Okay, let's try this. Shall we?
Opo.
What's your name?
Raymond po.
Where are you from?
Bicol.
Oh, right now.
Antipolo.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. How young are you?
20 po.
20?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm 29. Really? You're 20?
20 po.
Would you speak louder, please?
20.
Okay. And what's the reason of this call?
Wild confession po.
Okay. Are you sure?
Opo.
Really?
Opo.
Okay.
Wala pa akong monitor, Papa Jack eh.
What?
Wala pa akong monitor ngayon. Nag-chamba lang.
Oh, so you're not listening?
Opo. Kanina po, naka-headset ako.
Ah. Really?
Opo.
Hey, Raymond,
Pa.
I have a lesson for you.
Pa.
Do not cook eggs on microwave, right?
Opo. Sorry po,
All
Papa
right.
Jack.
Hey, why are you saying sorry?
Sorry.
Akulo-kulo mo naman. Sobrang makulo ka.
Nakakaba kasi, Papa Jack eh.
Speak louder.
Nakakaba po kasi.
All right.
First time ko tumawag.
Hey, the first time My first time too, I was also nervous. Say, Lunching, it feels like he's not with us. I don't know. Have you had your dinner yet?
Opo.
What did you eat? What did you have?
Kanin.
Kanin lang?
May ulam po.
What's the ulam?
Adobo.
Adobong ano?
Manok.
Really?
Opo.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure. Marami ka ba nakain?
Medyo.
Okay. So, you're gonna confess something to me.
Opo.
Okay.
Okay.
Nahirapan ako, pre. Tsagain na lang natin to, ha?
Papa Jack.
Oh, tsagain na lang natin, ha?
Papa Jack.
Oh,
Naka-owner na po ba ako?
yeah. You're already on air. What do you think? I'm going to do this to you, like speaking English off air? Like punish myself?
Hindi ko po alam eh.
Okay.
Nakadial lang.
So you're now on air. Are you willing to do this?
Opo.
Are you 100%?
100%.
Yeah. So what do you do in life, Raymond?
Pa?
Nothing. Yeah, what do you do?
Ano po, nagpuputol-putol eh.
Well, nothing. Hey, I was asking, what do you do?
Wala lang.
What's that? Hey,
Pa?
what's that? What do you do in life?
Ano po?
Ang hirap mo kausap.
Eh, nagpuputol-putol po kasi. Nasa trabaho po kasi kami ngayon.
Sabi ko, ano ginagawa mo sa buhay?
Nagtatrabaho nga po.
What's your job?
Sa ano po? Sa mineral water po.
Okay. Ano ka doon? Tangke ng tubig?
Hindi po, refiller po.
Pagka-confess ka sa akin.
Opo.
Sige. Kwento mo na para matapos na to.
Ano po kasi ako papatak, may girlfriend po ako. Nung nasa kwarto po kami, tinanong niya po ako kung pwede daw po kami yun.
Sabi ng girlfriend mo sa'yo, hey, can we do something like that?
Kung pwede daw po magtotot.
Magtotot? What's that?
Yun na po
Hey,
yun.
okay, you were in a room with your girlfriend and your girlfriend asked you something.
Opo.
Like, hey, Raymond,
Po.
you want to do something nasty? Like that?
Hindi po.
What?
Yun po kasi, natanong ko lang po siya.
Ako lang mo kausap. Papa Jack, you the English he? Opo, keep on Tagaloging its irritation. Ano daw?
Nakakanusulit, Papa Jack eh.
Kaya mo na, ako nahirapan din ako eh. Pinapangatawanan ko lang para kunyaris lang ako.
Parang inchik ka.
O nga no. Parang inchi ka ba? Parang taga-Chinatown ako. Alright, Raymond!
Opo.
What happened next?
Yun nga po, pumayag din po siya.
Okay,
Kahit hindi naman po sa napilitan.
so something happened?
Na ginusto niya din po.
Okay. So something happened?
Yun na nga po, nag-umpisa nga po sa pakis.
Yeah, something happened.
Pa?
Something happened. Yeah. So you and your girlfriend did something.
Opo.
Okay. Thank you for calling, Raymond. It was such a nice call, man. We connected so much. Raymond!
Pa?
Parang hindi kumain eh.
Hindi pa nga talaga.
Sabi mo, adobo ulam mo. You
Eh,
liar.
maaga po kami kumain eh.
Alright, salamat sa pagtawag, Raymond.
Okay po.
Thank you. Alright. Mga kaibigan, hindi ako satisfied. Let's get another caller. 8326171 or 1-800-10-100-LOVE. Alright, mga kaibigan, tawag sa akin. LJ, good morning to you. Good morning and happy birthday. Uy, birthday ngayon ha. Ng asawa ng kapatid ko. Happy birthday. Ang dami nagdiriwan ng kaarawan this week, ano? For some reason, Time check, 13 after the hour of 1, morning of Thursday. We need a caller. Please call me over 833-6171 or 1-800-10-100 love. Good morning, Tony Rose. How are you? Alright, mga kaibigan. Uy, Tagalog pala ako. Ba't kaya ganun, pag may karelasyon ka, tapos may team song kayo, even if you hear that song over and over again, hindi mag-asawa, team song nyo eh. Diba? Pero pag nag-break kayo, ayaw marinig. Naisip ko lang, walang topic eh. Alright, we have a caller. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, please turn down the volume of your radio, please.
Okay, sorry.
Alright.
Hello?
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Ryan.
Ryan. Where are you from, Ryan?
From Pasig.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you ready to do this?
Yes.
Good.
Very good.
Really? Are you ready?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, I'm ready.
How are you, Ryan?
I'm good.
How old are you, Ryan?
I'm 23 years old.
20?
Yes.
22?
23.
23.
Apa.
Hey, Ryan, I speak in English, you're speaking Tagalog.
Okay po.
Or where are you from?
I'm from Pasig.
From?
Pasig po. Pasig. Sorry.
Okay, turn down the volume of your radio.
Nandaw. Okay na po.
Pakihinahan niyo po. Alright, so you're calling to confess something.
Hello, Papa Jack?
You're calling to confess something.
Hindi ko po marinig. May ano po. Hello?
Ba yan?
Sorry po.
Sabi ko, tumatawag ka para mag-confess sa akin?
Apa.
Sige.
Magko-confess po.
Okay. Sabi mo eh.
Hello, Papa Jack.
Yeah.
Sabihin ko na.
Anong trabaho mo?
Sa ngayon po, nag-a-apply pa lang po eh. Mahirap po pumasok ng trabaho eh.
Hey, your radio.
Hello?
Ryan?
Pa.
I don't want to say it again.
Hello po.
Alright. Okay. So, magka-confess ka.
Apa.
When did this happen?
Before pa po, last 2009.
Okay, so what's special about this?
Bali outing po eh.
Okay, something happened between you and who? A friend, a girlfriend?
Friend. And then may girlfriend po ako nun.
All right. Is your girlfriend also in that swimming?
Apa.
Wow, bad boy.
Hindi naman.
You bad boy, go to your room. Yeah, I'll follow later.
Apo.
Yuck.
Hello po.
So, swimming, where did you swim?
Bali sa...
Swimming pool?
Apo.
Good. So, what happened?
Bali siya yung unang lumapit sa akin and then nag-ask po siya sa akin about kung paano yung yun.
Like how?
And then, wala akong idea na sasabihin niya sa akin yun. Nabigla lang po ako. And then sabi niya sa akin...
Your girlfriend was there?
Apa.
What was your girlfriend doing during that time?
Natutulog na po siya nung time na yun kasi is at 2 o'clock ng umaga po yun eh.
Really?
Apo.
And then a friend of yours came up to you and like, Ryan, I want to do this but I don't know how. Like that?
Apa.
So, what did you say?
Di ko kasi masabi na ganun eh. Kasi yun dumating yung point na sinabi niya sa akin yung kung paano yung pwedeng gawin yung ganun. Nagulat na lang ako eh.
So,
kasi, kumbaga, na-shock din ako eh. Bakit niya tinanong sa akin and then gusto niya daw ma-experience.
With you?
Yes.
Okay, it was a resort.
Pa?
It was a resort.
Apa.
Alright, so, I mean, the two of you went
medyo, medyo dirty yung dating, Papa Jack eh.
Oh my God, where did you do it? Like,
kasi ang nangyari nun, sabi niya sa akin, sunod
like
ka
under the
sa...
sink?
Pa?
Where did you do it?
Sabi niya sa akin kasi, Papa Jack, sunod ka dun sa may madilim, sa may mataas.
Madilim, mataasan?
Opo, kasi yung resort, Papa Jack, beside in the pool, may parang mga puno-puno po eh.
Antipolo.
Apo.
Ah.